In today's daily sit, we practice naming. Take an inhale through the nose. Exhale with those lips closed and the slight constriction in the back of the throat. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let the exhale wash all the way down to your toes. Continue conscious breathing and allow yourself to observe the thoughts that cross your mind like an observer. When a thought comes in, just watch it like a cloud crossing the sky. Notice the difference between watching a thought and getting hooked by the thought, following the thought. As you notice persistent thought patterns, consider, what is the essence of this thought doing? Can you name the essence of the thought pattern? Perhaps complaining, worrying, judging, planning. Deepen your inhale, deepen your exhale. With each thought that floats through, anchor your attention back to the breath, simply naming what the thought is doing. With each breath, recentering. With each breath, becoming the observer.